So today we are opening another box from the ring boxes, and I apologize that I have done so many of these videos. These boxes are showing up way faster than I was anticipating and planning on them doing, so we're gonna get this one opened. If you have never seen any of my past unboxings or don't know what the ring boxes is, this one is a subscription box. You pick your number of boxes you can get. You can do month to month, or they have plans. That depends, or that determines how much you pay for the subscription box. So I did the 6-month plan. These are showing up super fast. It's full of really cool goodies for your wedding planning. So I'm not gonna hold this out for much longer. We're gonna get this one open. Let's get to it. So first up in this ring box is this Mrs. keychain. I will give you guys a close-up of this one. It looks like it's one of those like flexible, like rubber acrylic type keychains. It has a cute little tassel on it. I don't really put anything on my keys because I don't need a key to put in the ignition. Mine is all push button. But the last keychain I got, I ended up hanging on my purse. So maybe I'll do the same thing here. So let me give you guys a close-up of this. So here is the keychain. Like I said, it has a cute little white tassel. It says Mrs. It's like Tiffany blue with a gold jump ring and everything. But there's your Mrs. keychain. So the first thing in this box is this Mrs. keychain. The second thing in this ring box is this magnetic photo frame. And we put pictures all over our fridge, so this is actually perfect for us. It says happily ever after at the bottom, and then you just pop out the middle and you can put your picture in it. Probably wait to put this one up until we actually have a wedding picture, but it's really cute. It's just a magnet, and I will show you guys a close-up what it looks like. It has a heart on the top as well. Here is the happily ever after magnetic photo frame. Like I said, it has a heart on the top, happily ever after at the bottom, but this just pops out. You just place the photo here, and you have this really cute picture frame that you can put on your fridge or anywhere that's magnetic, maybe your desk, your office, whatever. So I'm excited to use this. So the second thing in this box is this happily ever after magnetic photo frame. The third thing in this box is this love gold-plated necklace. I will show you guys a close-up of this one so you can see it a little bit better, but instead of just saying love on one like little dangly, you know, whatever on your necklace, I can't think of the word right now, it goes across in all different places. It says love. So I will give you guys a close-up of what this one looks like. Here is the love necklace. Like I said, it's not one like dangly charm. Charm's a word at the bottom. It says love all the way across. So you just have to make sure, I feel like these would flip really easily, just like this E is already flipped. But who knows, but it's in gold and it's gold plated. It's pretty cute. I mean, I don't know how long it is. I'd have to pull it out of here, but definitely something that I would wear. So the third thing in this ring box is this love necklace. The fourth thing in this ring box is this bridal suite please do not disturb door hanging tag. It's this thicker kind of like acrylic material. It's not just paper, and it has little gold hearts all over the top of it, kind of cascading down here. So I will show you guys a close-up of this one and what it looks like. And here is the bridal suite please do not disturb hanging tag for the door. As I said, it has the gold hearts kind of cascading from the top down, and it just says bridal suite please do not disturb. And like I said, it's like this thicker kind of plasticky material, but it's cute. It's usable. It's not anything I wouldn't use. Might take it with me to the menu. So the fourth thing in this box is this bridal suite door hanging tag. The fifth thing in this box is this t-shirt. It's a size medium, which is what I wear. I don't know what it is because I did not get a little card to tell me what's all in this box, so we're gonna open it up and we're gonna get surprised together. But it's this really nice kind of like orange creamsicle color almost. It's pinker, but it's orange at the same time, if that makes sense. So let's get it opened up and take a look at it. I'll start with it's very soft. Oh, it just says wife. How cute. I won't show you guys a close-up of this one just because you can see it all, but it is super soft. It's just a regular kind of like crew neck, but it just says wife. Like I said, it's in like that pinky orange color. So this is the fifth thing in this ring box is this wife t-shirt. And the last thing in this ring box, again, I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna take a wild guess and assume it's a pillowcase, but we'll open it up just to make sure, and it says happily ever after on it, and it's kind of dirty. I don't know if you can see it from there, but right next to the Y, it's kind of dirty. So let's open it up and take a look and make sure that's actually what it is. And that is what it is. It's this kind of like lumbar pillowcase, so not a normal, what is it, like an 18 by 18 or a 20 by 20 pillowcase. It does say happily ever after on it. It's actually a soft pillowcase. I don't know if you can see it better when it's not in the wrapper, but it's very dirty by this Y right here. So it would need to be washed. I don't know if we'll ever use this. It's a little bit generic for my taste. But it's nice. I won't show you guys a close-up of it because you can see the whole entire thing from there. But yeah, so the last thing in this ring box is this pillowcase. So thank you for watching this video of me unboxing. I want to say this is like my third or my fourth ring box. They've been coming so quickly. We're getting married in 58 days. It'll be 57 by the time I post this. Super excited. If you'd like to check out my other unboxings, I also get the Miss and Mrs. box. You can check those out. I will link the rest of the ring boxes unboxings below in the description box. How many times can you say box in one sentence? Let's find out. So you can check them out and see if this is something you'd like to subscribe to. I have really liked the ring boxes ones. I have actually gotten rid of the last two Miss and Mrs. boxes because I didn't think I would ever use them. And other people seem to have wanted them, so maybe I'm just one of the exceptions. But if I talked you into subscribing, I will also put the link below to subscribe. But I appreciate you guys watching. And I will see you guys with the next video. Hopefully it's something that's not unboxing. Please stick with me. I will try and get a DIY in there somewhere. Please just keep showing up so fast. So thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.